Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Dimorphodon from Jurassic World. Dimorphodon is kind of like a pterosaur. It's like one of those winged bat-like creatures. Dinosaurs that, I mean, technically it's not a dinosaur, but it's like more of a flying reptile. But, it's in the world of Jurassic World, and technically it's we'd consider it a dinosaur era. All right, so let's do it. For the sake of this video, I will call it a dinosaur. And I know a lot of people in the comments are going to be like, that's not a dinosaur. All right, I'm going to go up here and draw the front of the mouth here. Big upper jaw, really small lower jaw. That's a big characteristic of it. Over here. Kind of to the eye. Curve for the circle. Curve, bags under the eye. I love dinosaurs. If there's a dinosaur that you want me to draw, put it in the description and I will absolutely do it, okay? Make sure I haven't drawn it before though, but just try it, tell me, and then I'll let you know in the comments if I've already drawn it or not, and I'll link you. All right. So that's gonna be it's gonna roll down into the back of the head here. Gonna go right here, he's gonna have like a hump, like his neck's gonna go into the neck here and it's gonna have a hump. Kind of like he's crawling down his back a little bit. Back over here. And then I'm going to he has this cool tail that I'm going to like just fling out there. S shape. Tip of the tail has, I don't know, almost like you can put a lot of stuff on it, but it looks almost like the edge of like a devil tail or something. I put like a diamond at the end. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the tail all the way back down here. All right. Gonna go over here to the mouth. Right off the bat, there's a lot of teeth that he has. He has these like really... I'm gonna pull like a line right here for the mouth, then I'm gonna pull a tooth over here, then draw a tooth. Line over here, draw another tooth, draw another here. Like his teeth seem to be on the outside. And then underneath, we're going to have the underside of his mouth over here. Back of the jaw. Let's draw the eye over here. Really creepy looking dinosaur, quote unquote dinosaur. Nostril. Go over here, kind of in this area, pull down over here for the neck, kind of hangs down a bit. Now let's draw the arm. So he's got wings and I want him to be kind of close to the ground though. So he's got his arm sticking out here, that's his shoulder. Gonna pull over here at the forearm where he bends his arm in. And it's gonna pull in, kind of further out over here into this bat-like area. Out over here. He's going to have his wing folded up. Very similar to a bat. Very similar to a bat. So right here, we're going to pull a line out this direction. We're going to pull it off the page too. It's going to go off the page. And then you're going to find the other part of the wing that's folded up over here on this side. He's just kind of folding it up as he's walking. Elbow, back of the elbow here. Down. So you got it's going to go up into the armpit. Right here, it's going to go out. Line over here, line over here. Going to go right here, the chest area. Hind leg over here. So we're going to pull in over here, down. So you can see the back of the knee over here. In over here, down. That's going to disappear behind the folded up wing there. And then pulling a curved line here where it's like a bundle of the wing and stuff like that. It's just down here. This part's going to have kind of like a bone on it. That's the part of the wing that has that when you look at bats and stuff. Go over here on the far end. Now we're gonna have his other hand in the far end over here down. So you're not gonna see it as well. Maybe line down. He's got a touch in the floor. Looks like a little finger hook at the end. Rest of his arm. And the rest of the wing over here. And then I'm gonna imagine that in my mind's eye coming out over here, and you're gonna see the back end of the wing over on the far end here. Like so. Almost looks like he's wearing a hat. But to prevent that, we're going to draw a thicker line right here, and it already kind of has a thicker line. I'm gonna draw a thicker line around the head area. Line over here. So that makes it look, the thicker line makes it look more close than the far end over there. And you can draw thin lines over here for scales or, you know, wrinkled skin. Maybe right here, these thin lines can kind of show off some of the areas around there. Like so. And just all this stuff is extra, by the way. It's not like you have to do this stuff. It's just stuff that I think might help. You're drawing thinner, smaller lines which create detail. You know, all that stuff's extra. But that's Dimorphodon, and that's him like as he's not in midair. He's just on the ground, kind of like walking around like a bat. That's it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you love dinosaurs. Hit the like button too if you like that. I want to draw a lot more dinosaurs on here, so hit the like. The like is what fuels the channel. And don't forget to share the video. When you share the video, it brings back a huge, cool amount of like people have noticed. If you really want to help the channel out, absolutely share it anywhere. Share it Twitter, Reddit, anywhere you want. Whenever you share it, it does a huge benefit. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.